Hey lovely people, and welcome back once again to the channel. So in case you're new here, it's me, your baby girl. It's Nyechi Chiemela. Alright, so for those people that don't know how to pronounce the name, that are calling it Nkechi, it is not Nkechi, it's only Nyechi. So Nyechi for short, okay? Alright, so in this video, I will be telling you a lot of things that you need to know. This is the year 2026 and this is the year for us to make a lot of changes, yes, and regarding our skincare, our beauty, and a whole lot. So you know, as your favorite skin educator, beauty educator, skin science educator, whatever, how to make your skincare work this year 2026. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about. Do not mind my background. As a matter of fact, I am in the kitchen. I am just telling you in case you see a freezer behind me, and that's a laundry basket. So don't ask me what the laundry basket is doing in the kitchen. That's too much to explain. How to make your skincare work in the year 2026 to get a clear glow. So without further ado, let's talk about the things you need to do right, the things you need to fix, and the things you need to get in place. Okay, first on the list is do not follow skincare trends. Yes, a lot of us are very quick into jumping into new tips, new tricks, new techniques, new trends. That's the word, trends. You're quick to jumping into trends, and what does that do for you? Because you're lacking patience, jumping from here to another. That's actually all of us. We have a little bit of impatience in us. Some of us don't have the time to hold on a little bit. So if you're doing that, your skin will not just like that. Exactly. So you saw something being hyped on TikTok, you saw something being hyped on Facebook, or even here on YouTube, without extensive research, you hype into that skincare. To avoid that, stick to something that works for you and be patient while you do it. If you're able to figure out your skin type, you can be able to figure out what works for you and avoid jumping into trends. Okay, so tip number 2 is this: what skincare issues or concerns do you have? What exactly do you want to fix? What exactly do you want to sort out? Figure out your skincare needs, your skincare concerns, your beauty needs, your beauty concerns, and stick to it. Okay, what I mean by sticking to it is by finding products that work for that type of skincare problem or skincare concern. In that way, you will not be all over the place and you will not be confused. So the next tip is having or using less products. Less products equals to better result. So you don't have to use all the products in the market. Some people are using 6 to 10 to 20 to 15 products, and they have a special bag. I'm not shading anybody, I'm just saying, just use what concerns what you need to fix and use what concerns what you need to treat. Okay, next tip on the list is allow your skin to breathe. Let your skin breathe. Let your skin take time to figure out itself. Yes, you don't need to overwhelm your skin, because when you overwhelm your skin, you're still not going to get the results that you actually want. So be careful. All right. The next tip on the list is use the right products at the right time. When products say only at night, use only at night. When products say in the morning, during the daytime, AM and PM, use in the morning. Don't use your nighttime products or nighttime routine products that should actually be for your nighttime routine, and then you come and use them for your daytime routine, and then you be feeling like all glorious, thinking that you have everything in check. Sweetheart, it's not going to help you and it's going to do more harm than good. So just make sure you stick to the right products at the right time and when necessary. Okay, the last but not the least is putting in consistency. What does consistency do for you? It helps you stay in the line, stay in course of your journey, stay in the line of your skincare journey. When you keep using products and then you see results, of course, that is consistency. You don't jump into products this month, or not even a month, this week, and then you're like, oh, it's not working, let me try something new next week. You're not going to like the results you're going to get. So just stick to a routine and be consistent. Stay consistent. The truth is, consistency goes hand in hand in every single thing we do in life. You have to stay consistent. I hope that makes sense. So I love you as always. Don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up. Of course, the super thanks icon is there. Appreciate me by clicking on the super thanks. Any token will be appreciated. Any token will be appreciated. I'm not asking for too much. Just appreciate your sweetheart, your girl who's sharing all these tips and tricks and all these techniques. All right. Then don't forget to share my other videos. If you have questions, leave them. I will definitely come on live someday to answer all these questions. And of course, if you get lucky, I will definitely reply. Do of course send me an email if you want any collaborations with me. However, this particular video is not sponsored. I am just giving you what works for me, tips to help make your skincare work for you this 2026 and how to do it. All right, I love you and see you in the next video. Stay blessed and stay well. Hey guys, so I'm just so excited with this my new light. I mean, I don't have to carry this very bogus tripod ring light everywhere I go. So now let me give you the nitty-gritty. Let's talk about what we have for today's video.